show. Now, Monica told me something about her situation that I did not expect from a routine phone call. She said, "Brother, there's actually a faceless entity that sleeps with me, that gives me food, and he does things that makes me forget I have a husband." It's really weird that she was telling me these things. And I started asking for more details, and then she started telling me that she wakes up with physical bruises. There's persistent suicidal thoughts. There's depression, nightmares, and a feeling of being watched. And I started asking more details, and I started asking her because of my background with deliverance ministry many years ago. So I started poking into the consistency of her narrative, and I started asking about her background in the faith. And I learned that she's a lapsed Catholic who started consulting albularios, and she actually carries a red pocket or an anting-anting or a amulet to protect her supposedly from this entity.